Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Really good midterm boat. Whether you're stepping up from a bay boat or you're trying your hand from a bow rider into the world of fishing and doing a little bit of the sandbar, this is a really great boat to get your proverbial feet wet. One of the cool things about this one here in stock at Sarasota is we've got Mercury's new V6s. These are their new 3.4 liter naturally aspirated V6s. They're very light compared to the competition. Coming in, the lightest models come in under 500 horsepower. They still have Mercury's power assist steering, so they're an absolute pleasure to drive, but they're smooth. They're adding even more fuel efficiency than you're seeing from just about any manufacturer out there right now. They really bring a lot to the table on this boat. Of course, this boat does double duty well. You can see I've got a cockpit to walk around in. Whether you're bottom fishing, you're trolling, you've got room. But in addition to that, for the days that you really need to play party for the family, Boston Whaler does the best job of any boat in the entire industry of really nice hinges, solid seats, and this flip out seat is an exact example of that. In addition to that, we've got a little prep station on the back of your leaning post. You've got a huge live well, easily good for 4 or 5 dozen, whether we're talking bait fish or beer. You got cup holders galore. They're all over the boat. Boston Whaler does a great job hiding things under the deck, so you've got your cleats out of the way, run your ropes through the deck, rod holders, cup holders all over. We've got some of the nicest leaning posts that you can find. You've got movable bolsters. You've got armrests for whoever need them, whether it's your co-captain or yourself. Of course, Mercury has digital throttles. Again, power assisted steering wheel. And we'll do electronics at your behest. Anything you guys want, whether it's Garmin, Raymarine, the latest from Simrad, we can put it on here. We can do radar, we can do sonar. We'll take care of you guys when we do that on a dealer level. Before we end this, let's step up front. One thing I really like about this 25 Outrage is instead of putting an afterthought on the front of the console, Boston Whaler puts a real seat. Again, you're gonna find your armrest, you're gonna find very serious and thick padding. And underneath, they give you excellent storage. It is insulated. It will double as a full cooler, but truthfully built in. And your whole open bow on this boat. Again, guys, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2019 Boston Whaler Outrage 250. If you want to schedule a test drive or have more questions, reach out to us. We're looking forward to hearing from you.